Okay, let's keep going with example 14. Again, a lot of the question in this topic is without using a calculator, showing this 8 sine pi on 3 times cos pi on 6 is equal to negative 6. So again, I'm going to reinforce first the special right angle triangle, 30 degree, 60 degree, and 45 degree right angle triangle. Second would be your unit circle to decide whether it's positive or negative. Okay. So first, let's have a look. Sine pi on 3. Because I've been doing that a lot, I know exactly that's root 3 over 2. But if you are not sure, again, you don't have to remember that big circle. You can. You're more than welcome to. But again, I'm just teaching you the tools to understand it so that you don't really have a lot to remember. Okay? So I know that there's this ratio, so sine pi on 3 would be root 3 over 2. Okay, so you've got that sorted out. And the second, you see cos 5 pi on 6. You know that 5 pi on 6 is a multiple of pi on 6. So first, I would recommend you to know where exactly is 5 pi on 6. Okay, so we know that 6 pi on 6 would be here. So 5 pi on 6 would be here. Okay, and that is pi on 6. That is 5 pi on 6. Agree? This is like 30 degrees. Okay, this is like 30 degrees. Okay, and again, the y-axis would be 3 pi on 6. Okay, so 5 pi on 6, you know that the cos is negative. So cos 5 pi on 6 will be negative because it's in the second quadrant. However, sine 5 pi on 6 will be positive because it's still, on the positive side of the y-axis. Okay, so, and I know that cos pi on 6 is, again, from this special triangle, cos pi on 6 is root 3 over 2. So therefore, cos 5 pi on 6 will be negative root 3 over 2. Okay, so this is my number 1, this is my number 2. You can see that if you have those two tools, it's so easy. Okay, so now I can put that in and solve the question. So left hand side is 8 times sine pi on 3 times cos 5 pi on 6 is 8 times root 3 on 2 times negative root 3 on 2. That would be 8 times 4 on 3 because I times the top, I times the bottom. So that goes to 8 negative 6 equals to right hand side. Therefore, 8 sine pi on 3 cos 5 pi on 6 is negative 8. Okay, I would highly recommend you get a math book and then try to do this question with me so that you get your head around. Okay. Last question. Find all angles theta between 0 and 2 pi with the cos of half. You'll see this type of question a lot. Okay. Okay, question 15. So for all angles theta between 0 and 2 pi, there's a cos value of half, so they want you to find all the angles. And because cos value is positive, I know it's either the first quadrant, okay, or the fourth quadrant, because in those two quadrants, the cos value is positive, okay? Okay, so what angle would a cos of that angle be half? Again, using the special triangles, okay? 30, 60, okay, 1, 2, root 3. So you know from the special triangles, you know that immediately it is cos 60 degree. Or you can write cos pi on 3 is half. Okay, so where's my cos pi on 3 is here, right? Okay, so if I have a cos pi over 3 here, I also have an angle here that is in the mirror image, is reflected pi over 3 of x-axis. So here, how do you get this angle then? This angle could be calculated because you know this is pi over 3, that's 60 degrees. That would be 60 degrees. So that would be 2 pi take pi over 3. Okay, so you know that only these two angles within this range, there's a cos value of half. So it is either cos pi over 3 is this also cos 2 pi take pi over 3 would be cos 3 5 pi is 1/2. So the theta would be pi over 3 or 5 pi over 3. Okay, but again, a bit of extension. If I say in the question, find all angles with cosine of half. Okay, without giving you any domain, how would I do that? There are infinite answers. So my answer, instead of just two of them, would be pi over 3 plus 2k pi, 5 pi over 3 plus 2k pi. K is any integer. Does that make sense? Okay, so it could be, so you end up with infinite answers. Okay, so this is a bit of extension that I hope you understand.